Hello, this video is looking at the Trinity Grade 3 piece, the Double Bubble Duchess. I'm looking at mainly the first section and section B in this video. I'll break down the bits bar by bar, put it all together, and hopefully it helps you out in your lessons if you are working on this piece. So we've got an introduction fill here. Remember, we should look out for the note above that that says that anytime we get two semiquavers together, it's actually a quaver, semi-quaver triplet where we're missing that middle bar. So rather than this, which you can't really hear the difference, but if I did four of them and put the triplet in there, so it's a bit jumpy. Okay, so our fill, we've got two bass drums, then we've got on the snare drum, and then on the snare drum, and then so instead of it's that for our last rhythm. Da da dum. So da da dum. So the fill goes. Okay. Alright, so that's it slowed down. And then we're into the main rhythm. Now we've got to repeat this rhythm for 1, 2, 3 bars. Okay, it's very simple rhythm. We've got a crash in the beginning, but not the second and third one. That's why it's in a bracket. And really it's dead simple apart from the extra bass drum, which sits between the two groups of 4 hi-hats. So it's on the and a, right, of 2. Yep, so a rhythm would go like this. I slow it down. Like that. Okay, so we've got a crash at the beginning. We're doing that three times, and then on the fourth we get half of a, well, 3/4 of a bar. 1, 2, 3, and you've got a little fill there. 1, 2, 3, and then you've got this fill. We've got a flam on the snare drum with a bass underneath it, and we're going into a drag and a, and then da dum on your high tom. That's your fill. So rest. That's your little fill there. So that's section A with the intro. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then we're on to section B. Now, section B, I'm not going to spend too much time on this. You've literally got the same groove you had at the beginning. Yeah. Yeah, we've got that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and then on the 6th bar, you've got to put in a fill that has a crescendo in it, and that is section B. Now you've got 4 beats for a fill, right? So you can borrow rhythms that we've had already. Right, so that is just essentially the same fill in section A but different drums. Or try skipping out beats. Instead of going, maybe take one away from each of those groups of 4. Don't even have to do all the way down there. Doesn't even have to be split into 4. Yeah, if you want to get a bit more adventurous with it. I'm just going to play all the section B. I'll see what fill comes out, and then I'll do A and B together, and that's the end of the video. Very short and simple, this one. Okay, so the beginning of B. Okay, so hopefully the crescendo came out fine in that video, but you know, might not translate that well. Anyway, back to the beginning, A and B together with the intro fill. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. go. It's that simple. So hopefully that helps, and you can try different combinations of notes and rhythms for that fill. Come up with something interesting of your own. If you're working on this piece, use the video, slow it down, look at certain bits you need to look at. It's mostly just the same groove, different fills here and there. So yeah, hopefully it helps you out, and I'll see you in your lesson. Bye.